You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. This is the plural. British English and American English pronunciations are similar, pronounced as calories. Stress on the first ka syllable. Ka, la, rees. Yes, it's a Z sound at the end. Calories, English pronunciation. How to pronounce calories. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.